सर्वामय विनाशनाय त्रैलोक्यनाथाय श्री महाविष्णवे स्वाहा। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय धन्वन्तरये अमृतकलशहस्ताय सर्वामय विनाशनाय त्रैलोक्यनाथाय श्री महाविष्णवे नमः स्वाहा। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय धन्वन्तरये अमृतकलशहस्ताय सर्वामय विनाशनाय त्रैलोक्यनाथाय श्री महाविष्णवे स्वाहा। ओम मूलानक्षत्रे धनुर्रासो जातस्य भार्गवार्कोरिनामधेयस्य औषधराजाय विद्महे वरप्रसादाय धीमहि तन्नो धन्वन्तरि प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा। ओम कृत्तिकानक्षत्रे मेषरासो जातस्य धिरिमैक्यनामधेयस्य औषधराजाय विद्महे वरप्रसादाय धीमहि तन्नो धन्वन्तरि प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा। पुनर्वसुनक्षत्रे कडकरासो जातस्य हिरोपच्चायनामधेयस्य औषधराजाय विद्महे वरप्रसादाय धीमहि तन्नो धन्वन्तरि प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा। ओम कृष्णनक्षत्रे कडकरासो सुरप्राज साई प्रसन्न प्रवीण नामधेयस्य औषधराजाय विद्महे वरप्रसादाय धीमहि तन्नो धन्वन्तरि प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा। श्रविष्टानक्षत्रे कुम्भरासो श्रीनिवासमूर्ति नामधेयस्य औषधराजाय विद्महे वरप्रसादाय धीमहि तन्नो धन्वन्तरि प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा। पुनर्वसुनक्षत्रे कडकरासो अन्नपूर्णिनाम्याः औषधराजाय विद्महे वरप्रसादाय धीमहि तन्नो धन्वन्तरि प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा। अश्विनी मेघरासो जातस्य श्वेता नाम्याः औषधराजाय विद्महे वरप्रसादाय धीमहि तन्नो धन्वन्तरि प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा। ओम श्रविष्टानक्षत्रे कुम्भरासो अर्णव नामधेयस्य औषधराजाय विद्महे वरप्रसादाय धीमहि तन्नो धन्वन्तरि प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा। चित्रानक्षत्रे तुलारासो हलिलक्षानामधेयस्य औषधराजाय विद्महे वरप्रसादाय धीमहि तन्नो धन्वन्तरि प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा। रोहिणीनक्षत्रे वृषभरासो सीतारामधर्मणः औषधराजाय विद्महे वरप्रसादाय धीमहि तन्नो धन्वन्तरि प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा। अनुराधानक्षत्रे वृश्चिकरासो इन्द्राणाम्याः औषधराजाय विद्महे वरप्रसादाय धीमहि तन्नो धन्वन्तरि प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा। शतभिषमते कुम्भरासो विश्वनाथनामधेयस्य औषधराजाय विद्महे वरप्रसादाय धीमहि तन्नो धन्वन्तरि प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा। चित्रानक्षत्रे तुलारासो मैत्रेयीनाम्याः औषधराजाय विद्महे वरप्रसादाय धीमहि तन्नो धन्वन्तरि प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा। अपवर्णीनक्षत्रे मेषरासो नंदिनी नाम्याः औषधराजाय विद्महे वरप्रसादाय धीमहि तन्नो धन्वन्तरि प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा। अपवर्णीनक्षत्रे मेषरासो सुशीर्षनामधेयस्य औषधराजाय विद्महे वरप्रसादाय धीमहि तन्नो धन्वन्तरि प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा। पुनर्वसुनक्षत्रे मिथुनरासो प्रियासनामधेयस्य औषधराजाय विद्महे वरप्रसादाय धीमहि तन्नो धन्वन्तरि प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा। श्रवणनक्षत्रे मकररासो अरण्यासनामधेयस्य औषधराजाय विद्महे वरप्रसादाय धीमहि तन्नो धन्वन्तरि प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा। सर्वेषां कूर्मावतार कैंकर्यपराणां सर्वेषां सकुटुम्बानां ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय धन्वन्तरये अमृतकलशहस्ताय सर्वामय विनाशनाय त्रैलोक्यनाथाय श्री महाविष्णवे नमः। सर्वेषां देहारोग्यसिद्ध्यर्थं औषधराजाय विद्महे वरप्रसादाय धीमहि तन्नो धन्वन्तरि प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा। कूर्मावतार धन्वन्तरि महाविष्णव इदं नमः।
So you can see the Kurmavadara. When you pause this video, you can able to see the Kurmavadara form and Dhanvantari form in this fire. This is an ancient ritual. The ancient ritual used by sages and devatas to get the gods we want to invoke and get the blessings. Now we have invoked Lord Kurmavadara, who is the second incarnation of Mahavishnu, to maintain good health for everyone in this ritual process, and also to dissolve that Saturn effect and the departed souls curses in your chart. So it is good to participate in this ritual. Everyone who is participating in this ritual will get everything in your life. And this tortoise avatar, turtle avatar, is also symbolizing good luck and good luck and fame and prosperity to the individuals who is participating in this ritual. So all the goodness will come to you, health, wealth, everything will come to you because of this karma, kurma avara incarnation process.
கூர்மத்துக்கு சமஸ்கிருதத்துல கச்சபரூபம்னு ஒரு பேர் உண்டு.
So in some Sanskrit we are calling it as Kachchaparubam for Kurma avara. So
second way, arise.
This is been obviously done. We are also used Dhanvantari Ahutis to get the complete phala to you. Now we are going to do the final the Ahuti. That is this is the main process in this ritual, because we are offering the Lord who is already there in Agni, yes, Kurmavadara, the material things, the herbs and other things for him. So we apart from him, we can also give our desires in this Purnahuri. So we will ask you to do 2 minutes of meditation, do the prayer, pray for whatever wishes you have, just think in your mind. We will do 2 minutes of time, pray for the desires. Then after the prayers, we will take all your desires in this Purnahuri and we will offer it to Lord Kurma, who is already there in the world. So take 2 minutes, take a deep meditation and take 2 minutes of time. After this, we are going to do the Namaskaram process. That is also very important ritual to get the complete blessings to your family. And so now we are going to offer your desires, your prayers. Please stand up wherever you are. Please stand up now. Let all your desires get into this Purnahuri.
Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Dhanvantraje Avadakalasagastaya Sarvamaya Vinasanaya Trailokshyanadhaya Sri Mahavishnave Namaha Narayanaya Vidvahe Kurma Rupaya Dhimahi Tanna Vishnu Prachodayade Aushadharajaya Vidvahe Varaprasadaya Dhimahi Tanno Dhanvantri Prachodayade Om Kurmavadara Mahavikkave Shat Swaha Saptade Yasme Samita Saptaritvaha Saptarishe Saptadam Priyani Saptahotra Saptadhatra Tyandiyonyapnesva Hridena Swaha Gnaye Saptavadaya Namama Bhuswaha Bhuvaswaha Swaswaha Om Bhurvaswaswaha Adhyabhadram Purvadodaya Prayachittam Pranayamam Atitena Magdistaha Anumatena Magdistaha Saraswatena Magdistaha Deva Savi Aprasa Vidhupati Nivedyam Tattva.
All your desires is now taken by Lord Kurma and he is blessing you with everything you want, whatever you desired for. So please take the blessing.
Prarthane Namaskaram.
Now we are going to do Prarthana Namaskaram. So you need to do the Namaskaram process.
Yobam Pushpam Veda Pushpavan Vajavan Vasuman Bhavati Chandramapam Upam Pushpam Pushpavan Vajavan Vasuman Bhavati Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Dhanvantraje Amrita Kalasagastaya Sarvamaya Vinasanaya Trailokshyanadhaya Sri Mahavishnave Namaha Aushadharajaya Vidvahe Varaprasadaya Dhimahi Tanno Dhanvantri Prachodayade. இந்த பூர்வாவதாரத்தில் ஏற்பட்ட அவதாரம் தான் தன்வந்திரி மகாவிஷ்ணு. அதனால தான் இந்த அவதாரத்துக்கு ரொம்ப விசேஷம். அதனால தேக ஆரோக்கியம் ரொம்ப முக்கியம்.
So in this Kurmavadara only Lord Dhanvantari also took another Mahavishnu's another avatar, another incarnation. Dhanvantari came out finally with the nectar of ambrosia.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Dhanvantaraye Amrita Kalasahastaya Amrita Kalasatha Kaila Vachirundha.
That's why in this mantra itself we can notice that there is Dhanvantari is being picturized with Amrita Kalasa, with the Kalasha, with the bottle of nectar. So this is very auspicious. You will get 100 years of life. So that's why Kurmavadara is very special and many of them are not aware of it. But Vedic folks is doing Kurmavadara along with Dhanvantari, which is so this is Dhanvantari's main proof of coming out is from Kurma's incarnation. So Dhanvantari Avadara, Dhanvantari incarnation of Mahavishnu also came along with Kurma incarnation, that is second incarnation. So the origin of Dhanvantari is Lord Kurma himself. So this Kurma himself is 2-in-1, double benefit for whoever who is participating. So let all the goodness come to you. Now we are going to, after the Dhanvantari mantra is over, now we are going to recite the Kurma Avadara mantra. So
Chiti Rati Vibhuladare Davadittadi Vritte Tarani Taranagina Chakra Karishte Kesavadhrita Gacharupa Jaya Jagadisa Hare Kurma Avadare Mahavishnave Namaha Narayanaaya Vidmahe Vasudevaya Dhimahi Tanno Vishnu Prachodayate Agilokathiyum Karakuriya Mahavishnuvuku இன்றைய தினம் கூர்மாவதார ஹோமத்தை நாம் சிறப்பாக செய்து முடித்தோம்.
So the whole world is being maintained by Supreme Godhead Mahavishnu. For him, the second incarnation of Kurmavadara is over with final ahuti. So now we are going to do the namaskaram process after this Deepa ahuti. So get the blessings from Agni form of Lord Kurma, who is also blessed you with your desires. You are going to do the puja Deepa ahuti for you. Take the blessings now.
Om Rajadi Rajaya Prasajya Sajini Namo Vayam Vai Sravanaya Kumahe Mega Mahaka Magama Yogyam Gami Srovi Sarvam Dhatu Udinaya Vai Sravanaya Maharaja Udaraja Vidmahe Varaprasadaya Dhimahi Tanno Dhanvantari Prachodayate Kurma Rupa Mahavishnave Namaha Dhanvantari Mahavishnave Namaha Karpura Niranjanam Samarpayami. Namaskaram. Yani Kanika Papani
Yani Kani Chapapani
Janmantarkritaniga Panitani Vinassanti Pradakshinam Pade
Pade. You need to do the namaskaram. Fall down to the ground and do the namaskaram.
Anyadastaranam nasti Tvameva charanam mama Tasmat karunya bhavena Raksha Purushottama.
Fall down again. We are going to do the namaskaram process.
Anyadastaranam nasti Tvameva charanam mama Tasmat karunya bhavena Raksha Purushottama.
Again fall down to the floor.
Anyadastaranam nasti Tvameva charanam mama Tasmat karunya bhavena Raksha Purushottama.
Again fall down to the floor. Do the
எவரொருவர் கடவுளுடைய பாதாரவிந்தத்தை தொடுகின்றார்களோ அவர்களுக்கு பகவான் பரிபூர்ணமாக மோட்சத்தையும் அருளையும் கொடுக்கிறான்னு சொல்லி
whoever surrender to Lord Mahavishnu will definitely get moksha. So do the namaskaram process. Get the whatever desires you have apart from going back to God, whatever wishes you have in this birth, pray for that God, Lord Mahavishnu, give you everything you want in this life apart from spiritual progress, which will definitely you will get it. Lord Mahavishnu is the one who will give moksha, so definitely you will get that spiritual wellness. Apart from it, since he is a sustainer of the whole world, he will also give material wellness to you. So please get the blessings from him. Now this is an important ritual where we are transferring the Agni form of Lord Kurma to the Jala form, Jalarupa, which is in Kumbha. So after this transfer, we are going to spray this Jalarupa in this temple. Yeah, this 10 incarnation is very important. So you should participate in all these 10 incarnation. First incarnation Maksha is completed last week. Today Kurma Avadara is completed. So we are going to do Varaha Avadara. Lot of Avadaras coming to you. So, Varaha Avadara is very important, which is very special. We want you to participate in this Varaha Avadara to get all the benefits. So So each Avatara we have special things to tell and special things to get from Lord Mahavishnu. So that's why Dasavatara series is king of all yagnas. So we are very happy to do this for you. Now we are going to spray this Jala Rupa of Lord Kurma. This is temple. So this is Kumbha which we are telling. So we have Jala form of Lord Kurma here. So we are spraying this across the temple hall to get. So it's not only spraying here in this temple hall, it's also spraying in your house also, wherever you are. You will get the whole benefit of this ritual because Mahavishnu is not only in physical form, he is in Sukshma form. So it's watching this ritual in this incarnation, in this technology also will help you to get Lord Mahavishnu to your house. So make your house more cleaner and neater. So whatever the wavelength which you are broadcasting through technology, the same wavelength you will get this Mahavishnu to your house. Not only these rituals are coming to your house, you should think that Mahavishnu is also coming to your house. Not only in this temple, you should believe that he is already there in your house. So maintain cleanliness. Whenever you see this participating in this ritual, you should be very clean and neat, and you should make your house also clean. So Mahavishnu will come to your house. So all the auspiciousness and prosperity will be there in your house and to your family. And whatever curses you have in your family, this 10 Avadara will change the whole destiny, remove all your sins and curses. So this is been offered to Lord Kurma. This is the cloth been offered to Lord Kurma. This is flowers and fruits which is offered to Lord Kurma. This is for your visuals. And take the blessings. And this is the prasadam which is offered to Lord Kurma Avadara. And Raksha. And this is Raksha being offered to Lord Kurma Avadara. So thank you very much for participating in this ritual. We request you to. So next ritual is sad Maha Sudarsana Homam. So after that we will have third incarnation. So Maha Sudarsana Homam is on Saturday, day after tomorrow at 5:30 a.m. So we request all of you who is participating also participate in Maha Sudarsana Homam. Maha Sudarsana Homam will is the Sudarsana Chakra of Lord Mahavishnu. So it will destroy all your problems, and it is good for growth of business and for career growth, and it will also protect you from any problems in your life, because Sudarsana Chakra will protect you throughout the life. So it is believed that Maha Sudarsana should be done. Even Maha Sudarsana Home has been done in several industries. We are doing in several companies on regular basis. So this will improve the businesses. The business house will be very prosperous, and any individual will get career progress, and any business house will get more growth in their business. So this is a very important ritual on Saturday. So please participate. Thank you very much for participating in Kurma Avadara. That all the goodness in the life will come to you. This will remove your curse of departed souls, your Saturn dosa, and also as mentioned, Dhanvantari is coming out of the incarnation, Kurma incarnation. So definitely you will be getting the health issues solved, and you live for 100 years. Thank you very much for participating, and signing off now is Krishna. Thank you very much.